Hey, what's up? How's it going, friends and folks? Captain Ty here with Selling Vessel Island Girl. I just want to give you guys a boat tour. It's been a little while. I've had a few people try to ask me for it and stuff, and I just want to show you guys around a little bit on the Islander. This is a 1964 Islander Wayfarer 32, and we picked it up in 2014, and we had a restoration in 2017-18, and dropped it in Santa Cruz Harbor, and then we came down through Monterey and down around Big Sur coastline and all the way down here around Point Conception. Now we are in Ventura. So in here, I just wanted to give you guys kind of a run around of the boat and what we've done to it, and you know, a few things in the past and stuff, and what we've gone through, and all the systems that we upgraded. So hope you like it, enjoy, and cheers, thumbs up. Thank you guys. Okay, you can see here, this is Oceanside, California, 2014. We originally bought the boat, and we pulled it out of the water. Hauled this boat up to Watsonville, California, and where we started the restoration 2017-18. This is where we started the exterior restoration project. All bright side work, all topside paint and decking. We went with a gray tread and a white accent, all done with Interlux marine paint. We added a Bomar hatch in the galley to bring some extra light, and redid all the portholes, all the bright work in the back. This is a little bit of a clip in Watsonville when we kind of had the restoration almost peaked on the outside, and we started doing some work on the interior. This is a Beta 20 install. I've done a lot of stuff on YouTube looking around for installments of marine diesels and, you know, the far few. The brand new Beta 20, getting ready for its final startup. Got everything rigged, got the battery set up, got some temporary water here, purged the gas line. They're pretty much ready to go. Go over here. There goes nothing. Ah, that was fast. That was like a half a crank. Yeah, 15 RPMs, 100 RPMs. So good big in. About the back, make sure we're shooting out water. Oh yeah, that's healthy. Really healthy. Some photos of the topside paint, and then this is Santa Cruz Harbor where we do the bottom side and we get ready to splash 2018. And so this is the general walk around of the exterior of the boat. This is an Islander 32 1964 Wayfarer. 10-foot beam, 5.5-foot draft. We added the netting on this boat and extended the stainless in the back and added some canvas in the back to kind of create a whole safety net around the boat, and it works really, really well to hold gear in and stuff. And you can see we got quite a bit of stuff on the boat. We live on it. Made some racks for our water supply and some gear racks in the front. And yes, we did wrap the back of this cockpit with canvas. It works really, really good with the low freeboard. It keeps us nice and dry for the most part, and also a lot of wind out of the cockpit. So this was a great feature to add to this boat. That's the stern of the boat. You can see how we have our solar attached now to the rails on the side, and that works pretty good for now. That's our canvas when we're at port or anchorage. We can roll this down and get a lot of sun protection and rain protection, and it works really, really well when we're not sailing the vessel. We have a Rockna 44 pound, that's our primary anchor, with 50 foot of chain and 200 feet of rode. With a hand winch. On this Islander, we've replaced most of the running rigging and also a lot of the standing rigging. Original boom and mast. We gave it quite a bit of upgrades, restored it, and then also added some ladders, some mast ladders to get up to the top. That makes it pretty nice for one individual to get up and do some work and stuff. So you can see here some more detail of the racks that we made for the water jugs, etc. We would like to change the chain plates out pretty soon on this vessel. This is one thing that has not been done to that particular boat yet. We'd like to put the change plates on the exterior, so that's going to be an upcoming project pretty soon. Here you can see our radar unit. We're planning on putting another tube on the other side for a wind generator and possibly adding some flat solar panels on top, and then creating some dinghy davits. So that's kind of what we want to do for the back end of this system before we're done with her. And in this shot you can also see the mast steps. It does have brand new spreaders, new custom light configuration. New mainsail from Precision. Triple slab reef. The head sail has a little life left. It needs to be replaced fairly soon. If you have any questions or comments about the Islander, feel free to shoot or text me a message, and I will be gladly to give you a hand or help you out the best if I can. Alright, we're going to start off and tell you a little bit about what we've done inside the cockpit here, and a lot of bright work and painting and kind of touch-up stuff like that. Basically this boat was completely stripped all the way down to the bottom, and we did all the deck side and everything, and then we did all the bright work. We did build these mahogany doors, which were super kind of a big deal for us. The moment I got the boat, we had those slide-in doors. You know, the hatch kind of slide in as a three-piece, and that was just bugging me from the start. So we definitely wanted to build some doors and some quick stuff to get in and out. So these are mahogany built. They're made to come off. off and on, and we've made some modifications where we can hold them into the side, which they work really great, and they come off in two pieces. They have the hinges here, and there's your mahogany biscuited, have some stainless steel sections to them, sheeted in some plexiglass, routed back in here with some stainless steel backing for security reasons and stuff. So we did build the whole jam in here and stuff, and a lot of other features, that the threshold and things like that. So that was quite of a nice project to get this done, and a big monument on that point. So we really love these. They work really good. They just kind of close, and you can click them in both sides. And I believe this is now, we started at 1.5 inch material. It's probably down to 1.25 inches, I believe, or 1 1/8 right around there, which we milled down to. So that's going to be pretty close to a door standard size, 1 3/8 probably. So that's where we are. Yeah, so any questions about that, feel free to let us know, some comments, and I'll let you know more about how we built those when we have some photos and stuff like that. So cheers. It's kind of hard with the light and some shading to show you the detail of the jams here, but we just basically took some stock material and ran that through a bunch of different passes through a table saw and got what we needed. Those are the side jams and stuff, and the doors, etc. So there's the new jam inside there. Yeah, but these are new mahogany custom doors that went with the Islander.